And just like with measurement, we use two different forms of measuring weight, or mass as it's called in the metric system there. And again, one of them is incredibly awkward and hard, and that's the one we choose to go with. That's our US customary system. What do we measure? If I ask you how much you weigh, actually we should go to a baby. When somebody says how much their baby weighs, what units of measurement do we use when somebody says, oh, my baby was 19 inches long and it weighed, Sammy Bollinger?
Pounds.
And?
Ounces.
Ounces, yes, pounds and ounces. And so you need to know that there are 16 ounces, O-U-N-C-E-S, I don't know why we don't use something else, but 16 ounces equals 1 pound. And obviously, if you are going to pick something to stand for pounds, obviously the most logical thing, instead of writing the word pound, the most logical abbreviation of pound, Ryan, is? It's LB. Why? Who knows, but that's what we use. Ounces is OZ, pounds is LB. And then really we only have one other unit measurement of weight is what, you know? Nope, we put 2,000 of those pounds together. 2,000 pounds together, and that is, 1 ton. And again, why it's 2,000, I don't know. The abbreviation of a ton, because there's also a metric ton, we use TN here for, and it doesn't want to write TN, still doesn't want to write. Whereas, and I suppose, what would be something that weighs about an ounce? Anybody? Something that weighs about an ounce. You'd have to do a lot of. The book uses what? Landon? Probably a caterpillar. Actually, a caterpillar might be less than an ounce. The book says that one slice of bread is about 1 ounce. So if you want kind of a reference point, I would say a caterpillar probably is actually way less than an ounce, probably. A shoe is about a pound, and a big old cow would probably be something like about 2,000 pounds or somewhere around the time, maybe a little bit bigger than that. Yeah, elephants are more. The book says an elephant is, says something in there. About 8,000, 8 tons, or 4 tons would be about an elephant. A car would weigh close to 2 tons, not
What
quite.
about a semi-truck with
I
stuff
have no
in
idea.
it?
All right, in the metric system, fifth grade, let's not use our talking for this. Oh, see what happened this time here. In the metric system there, it's based on a gram. We'll start with the smaller one. 1,000 milligrams. If we put 1,000 of those together, that is 1 gram. The abbreviation of milligram is mg, and the abbreviation of gram is just g. Let's see, a paper clip is about 1 gram. Paper clip is about 1 gram. And then if you take 1,000 grams, that is about 1 kilogram. 1 kilogram, which you abbreviate as kg. It's kind of a reference point between the metric system and our whatever system here. 1 pound, well, your book is probably about 1 kilogram. Okay. 1 kilogram would be how many? Would you weigh more in pounds or kilograms, Kayleen? Does anybody know? Would you weigh more in kilograms or pounds? Is it more kilograms or pounds? Ryan says
A shoulder is bigger.
a kilogram is bigger, so would you weigh more in pounds or kilograms?
Shoulder.
No. You weigh the same in both of them, but what number would be bigger? The number of pounds you weigh or the number of kilograms you weigh?
Oh,
Number of pounds is
Yeah.
bigger.
There are about 2.2 kilograms. I'm sorry. There are about 2.2 pounds in 1 kilogram. In other words, for those of you that want to go on a quick diet, just say your weight in kilograms and you'll weigh about half as much. If you weigh 100 pounds, you're going to weigh about 40 some kilograms. Is anybody in here a wrestler? Anybody wrestling here? No?
Cameron
I
used
used to.
Okay, just because wrestling always goes by kilograms, so you always, people look and say, what's your wrestling thing? And it sounds like they're really light, but it's actually in kilograms. So 2.2 pounds weight a kilogram. So some of the questions they're gonna ask you is, a half a pound is how many ounces?
Oh, totally know that.
1/2 a pound equals how many ounces? If 1 pound is 16 ounces, then a half a pound would be, Alex?
8.
8 ounces. They might ask you something like 10 pounds of potatoes equals how many ounces? If there's 16 ounces in 1 pound, if you have 10 pounds, how much would that be in ounces? Caleb, what do you think? 160. Another question they ask is, what about 16 tons equals how many pounds? How many pounds are in 1 ton?
2,000.
2,000. So if you have 16 times 2,000, you can drop those zeros down. It would be
That's 2,000 pounds.